Have you ever said Ohayou gozaimasu and got weird look from someone? Or wondered why your arigato didn't sound quite right? In this video, I'll walk you through how to greet like a local, naturally, respectfully, and confidently. By the end, you'll understand why how you say things matters just as much as what you say, especially in Japanese. おはようございます。こんにちは。こんばんは。ありがとう。ありがとうございます。These are basic, but not optional. In Japan, greeting properly is a form of respect, not just politeness. It's how you say I see you, especially in workplaces, schools, or even your neighborhood. Quick culture tip. You might not bow, but your words carry the bow. Here's the part most learners miss. It's not just a word, it's a vibration. Japanese is a language of subtlety, and emotion lives in how you pronounce. Example, that intonation, Ohayou gozaimasu, a natural or flat or stressed incorrectly. Natural, Ohayou gozaimasu, falling into soft U. So when you speak, make sure each sound is clear, no mumbling, especially arigato. Say it with warmth, look, eye contact is important. Locals feel the difference. 日本語では言霊という言葉があります。In Japanese, there is a concept called kotodama, the spirit of words. Explanation. This means words carry energy. When you say good things, you create good energy around you. That's why even small greetings matter. They set the tone of the conversation or even your whole day. When you practice, don't just memorize. Feel what the words mean. Repeat after me. Let's say them together. I'll speak slowly, then naturally. おはようございます。こんにちは。こんばんは。ありがとう。ありがとうございます。Say them with natural tone, clear sound, a little smile. おはようございます。こんにちは。こんばんは。ありがとう。ありがとうございます。Greeting is the first step to conversation. If you can say it naturally, you are already speaking. Practice these daily, even to yourself. If this helped you feel more confident, like and subscribe for more Japanese speaking tips from a native coach who understands what it takes. 見てくれてありがとう。Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. またね。